Alright, I reckon you guys go down bike down the hill. Then we can get down here top working. That is the aero resistance.
On Monday, we finished off our Whanganui Vintage Weekend with a wander into town to watch Plumber Dan's Trolley Derby, an annual event down Drews Avenue. What a wonderful day. All kids of all ages in there, and it was just full on. Incredible to watch.
Well, that three-wheeler is definitely going to take the brakes machine just got really bogged out on the corner and overbalanced it. Right, now we've got a off Plumber Dan. Proceeding to get around here. Nice delivery water. Or more disappointing, depends on which way you want to look at it. Oh yeah, the car's right here, still out, it's looking good. It's about to put it in the angry, 580.